everybody, and welcome back to my channel. How you doing? How you feeling? Hope life is treating you well, and if not, I hope it does get better. Today we had sunshine and it was about maybe 40s 50s this week, and today it's about 10 degrees. So the sun, if you went outside thinking it was going to be warm, that was a fool. Sun was fooling us today. Anyway, I am going to unbox my Boxycharm. It's brand new. I just cut it open for time's sakes, but let's see what's inside. I haven't watched any spoilers on this, so I don't know what's in here. So let's see inside of the box. The theme is Afterglow. That's kind of pretty, a little sparkly afterglow. And what is in here? So we have 5 items, and we're gonna start off with Pharmacy Clean Bee. There it is there. And it's an ultra gentle facial cleanser. It's 3.4 fluid ounces, and it says delivered fresh. Let's see. So this retails for $22. It says soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. It's formulated with naturally derived ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, and a powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and licorice root. So it does come sealed, so the seal is in there. Oh, I don't care for it too much, but it smells like organic. I could smell the I got it on my nose. Calendula, I think that's what, in the licorice root, you could smell that. But I mean, it looks clean. I'm gonna try it out, see how it works, because why not? And here we have the no problem primer, Touch and Soul. There you go there. And this is 1 fluid ounce, and this says this retails for $18. Create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch and Soul No Problem primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours for flawlessness. So let's see. So I'm gonna put on this hand here. This hand's clean. Just put a little bit. Rub it in. Ooh, feels nice. Real nice. Put it here. Kind of, did it smooth it out a little bit? I think it did. It feels nice. It smells good too. I don't know, because I did put lotion on my hands, so I don't know which one I'm smelling. I don't think this one has a scent, but because I have lotion on my hand, let's see. Yeah, it doesn't really have a smell to it, so that's good. So what else did we get? Tres. I'm trying to read this in Spanish, but it's a French word. Trestique, whatever, that's what it is there. I was trying to read it in Spanish, but I know it's French and it just won't come out. Anyway, it says primer inside. So this is Prime and Color Lip Glaze, and this is in the color of English Rose. So I think the primer, oh, here's the primer. I don't want to mess it up. And then there's the color. It's nice, and it's magnetic. So let's try it again. It's got a little strong magnet. So there's a little magnet in there, and this is Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. This retails for $25. This 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like a balm, Creating a super smooth canvas, the color Glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of shiny color. This color kind of looks like what I have on my lips. So let's go ahead and swatch it. I'm gonna swatch it here. Oh, that's pretty color. Looks creamy. I like that. So here again, magnet. That's good because then if you throw it in your purse, it won't, the top won't come off and color your inside of your purse. So what else did we get? Oh, we got a Better Than Sex mascara. So that's nice. I like this. And this retails for $24. Of course, I believe a lot of us are familiar with this. If you're not, I'll read it for you. Indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara separates, coats, and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. I don't know how to say this word. It's ACACIA. What's the right word to say that? Acacia? Senegal tree extract sets volume while film forming polymers lock your lashes in a perfect curl. Now I do have a small one. I forgot what box I got that in, but here's a smaller one. I don't know if I want to open. Do I have another one of these? Probably not. Not that I can see. But I also have a mess up here, so whatever. So let's go ahead and open this. So that's what the wand looks like. This is very good mascara. So I like it. My daughter likes, does she like this one? I think she likes another one, but I like this one. This one's nice. And this is in the color, of course I can't see. I think it's black because it looked black when I pulled it out. And one more item, and this is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter. And that's what that looks like. And it says, allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlighter infused with glow-loving, light-reflecting, and pearlescent pigments. This highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. And this retails for $32. Can't talk today. I don't know what's my problem. So open. Oh, it's beautiful. So there's the color. Now, will you be able to see it on me? It is kind of so I'm gonna swatch it here. So there it is on my finger. I'm gonna swatch it here. Oh, you can. There you go. Can you see it? You know, I could see it better in person, but you could see a little bit there. But I could see it. Let me see. I really rubbed it on. It's all over my hand, my finger. But you can see it a little. But in person, you can see it. I can see it. I even rolled up my sleeves for this one and everything. So this is everything that came in the Boxycharm. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription, and you can also sign up for Boxy Luxe, which is the bigger box. I actually still have mine, and I probably will. I have two of them actually. I don't know one. I know one is from December, but I don't know what the other one is from. But I've got two. So that's everything that came in the box. And Boxy Luxe always puts their items in this nice what is this, foam to protect their products. Of course there might be one or two things that, because of the mail, but that'll hit a bump in the road. But other than that, they have really good products. Again, it's $21 a month, and it'll continue. You'll continue to get it monthly until you decide to cancel. They also have 3 months, I believe, 6 months, and a year subscriptions. And I will post a link in the description box down below. I believe if you sign up using that link, you either get a free gift or you may get like $5 or $10, something like that. And then I make points that will help me purchase items, something like that. You know, I don't really give out my referral link till just recently when I started my YouTube channel, so I'm not real familiar with the referral part of it. But I will leave that information in the description box down below. Again, please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. And I'll continue to do these unboxings. I've actually ordered a few more, and I'm gonna film another video because this one's like going too long. But I got some stuff from Walmart, and that'll be in the next video. They're selling boxes actually in the store that you can go and pick up. So until next time, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope everything goes well if it's not. And if your life is going well, I hope that it continues to do so. Again, this is Sandy. Subscribe, like, give that thumbs up, smash, share this video out, put it in your playlist, and I will talk to you soon. Hasta Laterz. Bye.